I bet you wanna feel good most of the time. But sometimes a negative thought pattern sticks to you like an old sore. It makes you suffer, it is painful, but the more you try to throw it out of your mind, it keeps coming back to you again, and again. If you can relate to what I'm talking about, just write down in the comment section, I can relate. Because this video is just for you. Hello and welcome. My name is Peeyush from Mind Magic, where we are committed to bring magic to your life. If you are looking for ways to release intrusive, painful, negative thought patterns from your mind, you are at the right place, because today I'm going to share a small process which you can use anywhere, anytime. And all you need is a paper and a pencil. So pause this video now, go and grab your paper and pencil and write down this process, because this works. If you will work on the process, this process will work on you. All of us face these kind of situations in our day-to-day life. When somebody in your family or in your office or somebody whom you know or in your friend circle said something to you or did something to you, or maybe he or she is talking to somebody in the background and you heard something, or when you're going from somewhere you saw something which was not very pleasant to you. Now that thought sticks to you like a song in your mind, and it keeps repeating itself again and again and again, as if it has a life of its own. So, are you ready? So I'm going to share that process now. But before I do that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss it when we upload a new video for you. Every day, when we meet, interact or communicate with people around us, we tend to take their garbage consciously or subconsciously. It may be someone whom you don't like, or most likely it may be a friend. Now this negative energy which gets a place in your system, this may be expressed in form of a small irritation or anger boiling inside. If you continue with this poison, it will grow with time, as more and more garbage will come to strengthen it. You got to throw the garbage out. Here is the process. Sit quietly with a paper and pen. Draw a vertical line which is about 2/3 and 1/3. Now think about all the events which has happened in last 1 week. You can go back to years, but if you use the process, you don't have to go back into the past. Slowly but certainly, this will dilute all the negative thought patterns. So think about 1 week. What has happened in last 1 week which has caused a negative thoughts in you? Very quickly, you will recognize the event or incident which has caused the negative energy in you. So let's suppose your boss spoke badly to you and his name was Ram. So write down, Ram spoke badly to me. Now, what is the emotion which you felt when he spoke badly to you? So write down all the equivalent emotions which you felt when he spoke badly to you. So let's say you felt irritation, you felt anger, you felt I am not enough. Now, I am not enough is one emotion which we feel most of the time, but we are not mostly aware of it. So I often write it. Now feel the emotions shortly. Think about the incident and feel the emotions shortly. You don't have to feel it for a very long period, but feel them very shortly. Now write down all the emotions on a separate place. So let's say I am writing it here. Irritation, anger, I am not enough. Now draw a circle in shape of a balloon around these emotions. So here I've created a shape of a balloon, and then I tie a thread around this balloon. Now close your eyes, feel the balloon in your hand, feel the tension in your hand, and once you feel the tension, just say to yourself, I let go and I let God, and simply release the balloon. Now watch this balloon going up and up and up into the sky. Slowly, slowly this balloon is getting smaller, 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 and getting vanished into the horizon. Once the balloon is gone and it is out of your sight, you can open your eyes. What I normally do is I draw a hand here and I write, I let go, I let God. So I let go all the negative emotions in me and I let God handle it. I bet you will start feeling relaxed immediately. Then what I do is I simply cut these emotions because it's already gone, it's not with you anymore. And then I take the paper, burn it, or I put it in the garbage bin. I bet you're feeling great now. If you really like this process and you want me to share more such videos which can bring a change, a shift in your life, please do give me a thumbs up and do write to me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this. Have a great day, great life, and namaste.